Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and it is time for another mystery box dip. A mystery box is where we take a box that was returned to us from a customer. It's no longer going to be needed for anything. We open it up, whatever contents are in that box, we combine them together in one way or another, and we spray them on the car. Right here we've got our DYC Mustang. It's got a black base. It's ready for anything. Let's jump right in. This is the mystery box. This was a package heading to Devon in West Virginia, and it ended up back at our doorstep. Now, this is no ordinary box of product. This, along with the other mystery box that we did, rooted from our scratch and dent sale, which was a collection of hundreds of different random products in random conditions that we needed to get out of the warehouse. They had built up over time. We sold them super, super cheap, which means this could either be a nicely put together car kit ready for us or a collection of randomness. So, knife please. We're going to open this bad boy up. Whatever is in this box will be applied to the Mustang in one way or another. Hopefully this will be easier on us than the last time. It's quartz. Interesting. Do we bail? No. We could definitely. It's all quartz. It's 7 quartz. We're going to just, do we move forward? I mean, we could bail, but we shouldn't. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's just see what we have first. ZTG Hypershift Quart. This has no label. Seafoam Green Quart. These are all going to be pearls. Mako Color Shift Quart. Sage Green. Teen Green. And Galaxy Color Shift. And that is it. So we ended up with 7 random quartz. Where's the gallon opener? We got to see what the unlabeled one is. We ended up with 7 random quarts of pearl. If it has no label, does that mean it even has pearl in it? There's a pink sticker. It's a white base pearl. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It's like a, oh man, this could be a lot of things. This could be Nordic. This could be, it's too, yeah, it's too small to be an alien pearl. So a random white paste pearl. Okay, so obviously, what, we're just going to mix these all together? Okay. All right, guys, we're just going to give you a quick rundown of each individual pearl and what it looks like by itself before we actually combined all of them. So this is ZTG Hypershift. This is that unknown white-based color shift pearl. This we found out is actually Seafoam Green Flake, so we're going to have a micro flake into the mix. Can't leave it out, it's too late. This is Sage Green. This is Mako. This is Galaxy Color Shift. And then this is Teen Green, but to be honest, this is not what I remember Teen Green looking like. This could be years and years old. So this here is the lineup. They're all getting dumped into a bucket one way or another. Wish us luck. All right, guys, we're done. The mystery box dip is complete. Now, sometimes when you combine together a bunch of different pearls and additives, they work together. They blend with synergy, they lay down smooth, and they're easy to spray. This was not one of those times. This was a major pain in the butt to spray. The pearls were fighting against each other. We got cloudiness all the way through the third and fourth coat. We had to put 2 extra coats on just to get a solid, even finish. So is the end result worth the work? Well, that's up for you guys to decide, but I would not suggest trying to replicate what we did today unless you're just madly in love with the end result and you're willing to put in the extra work. Now, if you want to dip your own car, click up here because we have lots of colors to choose from and they're all much easier to spray than what we did today. If you have any questions, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or email CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. We'll be more than happy to help with any questions that you have. But more importantly, let's go outside, check out the end result. Let me know if you think it was worth the trouble. It's Fonzie. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I will see you guys on the next video.